Welcome, my lovely lights, to your 10-minute yoga stretch. I recommend some blocks. They really just help in your support. You can use 2 cans or 2 water bottles of equal sizes or 2 big hardback books. So join me and let us full body stretch into a better day. Come with an open heart and open mind and let us do this. Welcome, my lovely lights, to Yoga Bliss with Shelly, and I'm Shelly. Have you had some water today? If you haven't, I really encourage you to start your practice with some healthy, yummy water. Hydration is the key to us feeling better in our bodies and our minds. If you have blocks, you can use those right now here. So joining here and a little bit of a butterfly position. So soles of the feet come to meet. And just check in, does it feel better to drive the soles of the feet closer towards your sit bones? That's a deeper stretch, or pushing them away. So with the blocks, you can do a few different things. If you're having some knee issues, you can rest the knees on the blocks, which I love. I think it feels so good. You can also use the blocks, cans, or books, whatever you have, to exhale, help aid the body in bringing the floor closer to you. So notice what you notice in your neck here as you point the nose down towards the middle of where the feet are. And then inhale. Maybe you can slide up if you have the blocks. It's kind of fun. And then you can exhale, push away. And take this slowly and mindfully. For me, I know anything where my head is hanging forward in my practice, it can be, I can feel this great resistance. And you want to know why? Because that neck is this great spot where I like to hold a lot of tension. So if you're anything like me and you find yourself tense or tight in your neck or your shoulders, you're not alone. So I want you to just take this. I love to do the floating breath, I call it. So you really just allow the inhale to float you up and allow that exhale to guide you down. Be kind and gentle with yourself here. Breathe it in. Good. Exhale it down. Wonderful work. You can walk the blocks back to the side, and you can use the blocks, and I would flatten it here just to meet you a little bit further. Kind of push it a little bit like at arm's distance. Inhale, swoop and swipe the left arm up high and across. Exhale, allow the arm to find length, long, and smile, because guess what? When you smile, my lovely, it creates oxytocin, and it's that feel-good hormone, and it helps you feel better. Arm reaches long and strong, and if you want something in the legs, add that full body butterfly. Now this time, the palm is up as we reach out, and when we cut across to the front, kind of coming in front of your heart center, push the palm down and slice all the way to the top. You can also incorporate a bend in this opposite arm, so arm slices back, and just take these mindfully and stretch, and wake up the body. So you only get out of your stretchy or your yoga practice what you bring. So bring that energy to expand, to grow, and to feel better, because we all want to feel better. Good. Last one. Arm reaches across. Can you grow and sit up a little bit taller? Stretch, reach to this side. Exhale, shake out the wrist on that side. Okay, you can reach for the opposite block or just the floor on this side. Inhale, palm sweeps up high over the top. Can you follow your hand with a mindful movement as you stretch that shoulder girdle? And sometimes if we're having issues in the shoulder and we're here, that's okay. So even if you're here and you can move across, because a few years ago I slipped on the ice and I could not do a downward dog for like 3 months. And I was honestly like getting depressed about it. Okay, so this time the palm rises up, and then push it away across the top. I think I actually did it the opposite direction, so that felt a little bit weird. So start with the palm up, that's right. And you know what? It's a practice, it's not a perfect, and then send the palm down. So you're creating resistance in a mindful movement, with the palm. So activate that palm, push it away. 2 more kind of swipes across. You can bend these last ones over. Get it back. Last one, make it grand, make it count. Inhale the breath in, bring it across. Good. Body meets you in a tabletop position, which is stacking over the knees and the shoulders here. Inhale, press, press, press the earth away. Grow, grow, grow the back, big like a cat. Exhale, press it away. If you're having any problems in the shoulders or you just want a little extra support, I always say bring your blocks with you. And blocks are not that expensive. I think I got this set for under $15. Press it away. Good. Wonderful work. Right here, meeting me at the front. If you have those blocks, just hop them out of the way. So 1 foot steps forward. It can be a little motion where it takes a time to get up here. Use the blocks for a little bit of support. Come forward in the body. Press it back. You can walk back. Good. A little bit comes forward. And then inhale, up, up, up. Raise your body up. Inhale, the arms, stretch the arms out wide. Hands can meet at the hips here. Big stretching breath comes in. Exhale, sink it forward. Good. Back to the knees. Okay, opposite foot. Step, 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 step on forward. Inhale, hinge the back of the heart. Up, up, up. Actually, we forgot. Sometimes I'm going a little bit fast, so come forward. Stretch it back. Good. Inhale it forward. All the way from the feet to the top of the head. Full body stretch here. Good. Now meet yourself up, up, up. Hug through the inner thighs. Reach the heart up. Grow the arms. Stretch, stretch, stretch the arms up. High, high, high. Hands can meet at your heart center. Big smiling breath comes in. Exhale, sends it away. Big breath comes in. Exhales it away, my lovely light. Both hands reach down to the mat. And then you're going to make a mindful movement and post up on this hind foot and step it forward into a Uttanasana, a forward fold. I love blocks here. They are my favorite. Why are blocks so helpful here? Because they bring the earth closer to you. Really heavy, heavy the head, heavy the arms. Inhale, bring the hands to the shins and gently slide your body up. And then exhale, allow it to fold forward and really just heavy, heavy the head, heavy the neck, heavy the arms. And allow yourself to grow, 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 up, 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 into a standing. This is our Tadasana. And just stepping back, the left foot, toes are at an angle here. Hands come to the hips here for a warrior one. Big breath comes in. Good. Exhales away. Gentle transition as we reach the heel towards the back of the mat. Standing your body long, long, long and strong. Warrior two here. Body reaches long and strong. Exhale, hind arm floats backwards mindfully, sweeps back, peaceful warrior. Good. Exhale, arms reach long and strong. Both feet meet facing that long edge of the mat. And then a transition just to this opposite direction. So we're going to do that same sequence that we just did on that side. Warrior one, knee on the front is bent into the mat. Hind foot faces the corner of the mat. Hands can reach at sides. Cactus arm, my lovely, or arms can shoot high, high, high. Grow, grow, grow. Full body stretch. I absolutely fantastically love the calf stretch here. Squeeze through your bottom. Exhale, breath comes, and then the transition comes from the heel to the toes. Arms lengthen long and strong. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Grow, maybe. Yawn, you're awake. Hand taps down. Reverse peaceful warrior comes big. Good. Exhale, arms reach long and strong. Both feet facing the front of the mat. Exhale, fold it forward, reach back for those blocks, however you need to. Swaying side to side, full body stretches here, even with the resistance. Bend into the knees, and however you need, meet me in a seated position. You can move those blocks out of the way or use them as support on the knees. Bringing one hand to the heart and one to the belly. Big breath comes in through the heart, radiates through the belly. Exhale. Big grateful breath comes in and smile. And just repeat after me. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I accept you. I accept you. I accept you. Smile because you are lovely. Palms meet at the heart center. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste. I hope your whole body is feeling freaking fantastic and wide awake. Please join me here. Subscribe to Yoga Bliss with Shelly. I have so much more goodies to share with you. And if you're ready for a new challenge, I have a 21-day yoga challenge that is amazing. It's a plank and a squat challenge geared towards mamas. I'm grateful for you. Have a beautiful day.